Do you want to bond better with your feline friend? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to explore the wonderful world of feline bonding. It's more than just a hobby. It's a way to strengthen your relationship with your pet. It's about understanding their needs, respecting their boundaries, and sharing in their joys. Whether you're new to cat ownership or a seasoned cat parent seeking to deepen your bond, these tips will surely help. Stay tuned as we dive into some tips to bond with your feline friend. First up, let's talk about the language of cats. Cats communicate in a variety of ways, with each purr, meow, and tail twitch carrying its own unique message. Understanding these signals can significantly enhance your bond with your feline friend. For instance, a cat's purr can mean anything from contentment to fear, while a slow blink often signifies trust and affection. When your cat rubs against you, it's marking you as part of its territory, a sign of deep affection. Vocalizations, too, are crucial. A high-pitched meow might indicate a friendly greeting, while a low growl could be a warning sign. However, it's not just about understanding these signals, but also respecting them. If a cat shows signs of discomfort or stress, give it space. This respect for their feelings and boundaries will help build trust and, ultimately, a stronger bond with your feline companion. Remember, understanding your cat's language is the first step in building a stronger bond. Now on to the fun part, playtime. You see, play is more than just a way to pass the time for our feline friends. It's an essential part of their lives. It keeps them active, sharpens their hunting skills, and stimulates their minds. But most importantly, playtime is a prime opportunity for you and your cat to bond and build a stronger relationship. Let's get creative with play. Have you ever tried the classic Chase the Light game? You'd be surprised how much fun a simple laser pointer can be. And who would have thought that hide and seek could be a feline favorite? Simply hide a toy, or even yourself, and let your cat do the seeking. The key here is to keep things fun and engaging. Mix things up, and your cat will never tire of playtime. And remember, the time you spend playing with your cat is time well spent. Remember, playtime isn't just fun, it's an essential part of your cat's life and a great bonding opportunity. After all that play, it's time for some cuddles. Cats are not just independent creatures, they also crave physical contact, just like us humans. It's their way of bonding, of telling us they trust us, and yes, that they love us. Cuddling isn't just about snuggling on a cold day, although that's always a treat, isn't it? It's about sharing warmth, sharing space, and letting your cat know that they are safe with you. So how about a movie night with Kitty? Choose a cozy blanket, a heartwarming movie, and let your feline friend curl up on your lap. The purring you'll hear is their way of saying, "I'm happy." Or why not take a cat nap together? Find a sunny spot, stretch out, and let your cat choose their favorite spot to snooze. Your calm presence can make their nap even more peaceful. Remember, cuddles are a cat's way of showing trust and affection. So there you have it, some meaningful ways to bond with your cat. We've explored the fascinating world of feline language, discovered the joy of playtime, and learned the art of cuddle time. Understanding your cat's language is key. Playing with them not only strengthens your bond, but also keeps them healthy. And nothing beats a good cuddle session. Remember, bonding with your cat is all about understanding, respect, and having fun. So go ahead, make the most of these tips, and enjoy your time with your feline friend.